Oh, sorry, I got distracted here by the wildlife. I'm looking so forward to doing this workshop together at the Power BI Gebruikersdag. And for anyone that does not have bought a ticket yet, they're still available. So I will put the link in the description and you can go there and buy a ticket for our workshop, and then we will see you there, and I try to get some of the weather.
Yeah, I also got distracted by the wildlife. There's no such thing as wildlife here, and there is absolutely no sun, but there are tickets available to our event, our workshop at the Gebruikersdagen in March. And as Valerie said, you do not want to miss it. It's all about moving the needle. It's all about making data matter. Because if it doesn't matter, well, we're not going to do anything with it. And there's not going to be any change. So I'll simply take the current wildlife and try to thaw out until March. See you then.